Welcome to our guide on how to become an affiliate marketing pro. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or build a full-fledged career, affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom. First things first, let's clarify what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get paid. Step 1. Choose your niche. It's crucial to pick a niche that you're passionate about and that has a viable market. Consider what interests you. It could be health, technology, beauty, or finance. Just make sure there's an audience eager for recommendations. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. There are countless affiliate programs out there. Some popular ones include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commissions. Step 3. Build your platform. You can choose to create a blog, a YouTube channel, or even leverage social media. Whatever platform you choose, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Step 4. Create quality content. This could be in the form of reviews, tutorials, or informative articles. Make sure your content is engaging and genuinely helpful. Remember, your goal is to build trust with your audience. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. You can use various strategies like SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing to attract visitors. The more traffic you generate, the higher your chances of making sales. Step 6. Analyze and optimize your efforts. Use analytics tools to track your performance. This data will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Don't be afraid to tweak your strategies. Finally, Step 7. Stay updated. The digital marketing landscape is always changing. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and join affiliate marketing communities to stay ahead of the curve. And there you have it. 7 essential steps to becoming an affiliate marketing pro. Remember, success takes time and effort, so be patient and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others on the journey to financial independence. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing!